In this video, I am going to show you how to generate lesson notes and quizzes using AI. You don't need to do anything. All you will have to do is to provide the source, that is the PDF, where the AI will be getting these lesson notes and quizzes. You can also provide other things like web link, maybe a website link, or even a YouTube link. In fact, I don't want to waste your time. Let me show you how to do this in a few minutes. First, we are going to use NotebookLM. Just go to notebooklm.google. You can find the link in the description box below. When you get to this place, you click on Try NotebookLM. Once you do that, you wait for NotebookLM to load. Here, the next thing we are going to do is to click on Create New. So click on this Create New button. Then you will be presented to this interface. I am going to add my source. That's the very first thing I will do. You can also search on the web. Okay. Now let us add our source where we'll be getting these lesson notes or lesson plan, as the case may be. So if I click here now, I will look for a particular PDF file. Maybe I like this one, Complete English Grammar Rules. So I will click open in order to add it. Look at it now, it's being added. So I will have to wait for it to complete this addition. You can see what we'll have here is just Untitled Notebook. But once it is complete, AI is going to give us automatic summary. You can see it here. Okay. Now you can go on and add other sources. Maybe if I click on this add sources, I will be able to choose a website link, Google Drive, or just copy and paste a text. I have described this in my previous video on how to create an infographic, audiobook, and slide deck using this NotebookLM. If you have not watched that video, the link is in the description box below. So let me not repeat this so that the video will not be too long. Okay, so I will close this and work with only this. Okay, now I will have to click on this start typing box and ask it to generate a lesson note using this source, this PDF. Okay, so I'll click here and then type. Generate a 3-week lesson note for JSS2 students on parts of speech. So once I do that, I will click on this button and wait for NotebookLM to do its work. As you can see, it is being generated. You see it here. So this is week 1, building blocks, nouns and pronoun. You have it here, topic, noun, categories of noun, common noun, and all of that. So in week 2, we will have action and modification. You can see it here. So if you proceed, we'll have this in week 3. Okay. So this is how NotebookLM is generating this lesson notes. Okay. So you can go on and ask further questions. Maybe you can say, can you use more examples to simplify this? Then I'll press enter or click on this button. Then you still have to wait for it to think about the question you gave to it and come up with an answer. Boom, we'll have it here. So it has included in week 1 more examples. Okay, so that is what we now have. So you can go on and ask more questions depending on what you want. I hope you understand. And at the end of each generation, it will still give you a summary question that you can ask. Look at here. We have defined the function and components of a noun phrase. Distinguish between transitive and intransitive phrasal verbs with examples. Explain how measurement nouns affect subject-verb agreement rules. So you can just click on anyone and NotebookLM will go on and answer you. How cool is that? Do you see that? This is based on our answer. And At the end, it will also give you more, like describe the primary difference between concrete and abstract noun. So this is a great place to learn. Even if you are not a teacher or you are a student, you want to use this thing to prepare for an exam. Even as a teacher, you can use this to understand any concept that is not so clear to you. Then, if you now want to create your quiz, maybe you want to generate a end of the week quiz or your exam entirely, all you will need to do is to come to this place where we have quiz. Don't just click on quiz, you click on this button. Remember, I said we have discussed some of these things. You can check the link in the description box below. So if I click on this pencil icon, it will come here and ask me what type of quiz do I want. Here we'll have number of questions, level of difficulty. So for number of questions, you can say fewer, standard, or more. So if you click more, the questions are going to be more. Let's leave it at default. Then for level of difficulty, you can say easy, medium, or hard. So it depends on the level you are teaching. Remember, we have mentioned JSS2. Okay. Now, here, it's also asking us, what should the topic be? So you can describe the topic. Remember, what we have in our PDF is complete English grammar rules. So I can just say, let the topic be on parts of speech. Okay, then I will then have to click on this button, the generate button. Once I do that, the NotebookLM will go to work and start to generate our quiz for us. I will have to pause this video and return back when the process is complete. Boom, we have our grammar quiz here. I want to tell you something before we open this quiz. This tool can take few minutes before it will generate. So do not worry, you need to be patient and wait for it. Nothing is wrong with your internet or with your system, just wait. Now, let me click on this. If I click on it, it will load and show us our quiz. So look at the first question. We have 1/15 questions here with their options. You can also click here to see the hints, okay? Now, if you click on the next button, it's going to show you the second question, okay? So you can copy it and use it in your classroom. I hope you understand. Let me know in the comment section if there are other better ways you use to generate your quiz, okay? Or how else do you think it is better to generate a lesson note or lesson plan, as the case may be. Also remember to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this. Until next time, keep learning.